Okay, here we are again. And there we go. Now that'll sit and dry. Once that's done, I'll flip them. And we should be good to go. There we go. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the sun out of the picture a little bit, but it's not that easy. It's 94, feels like 98, 46% humidity. Whew. Alrighty. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Scotty!
Hey guys, so
Ooh.
after about an hour and some change,
Getting all the crud
We
off,
can.
the rust. Look at that. Hey, look, it's like when Ford made it.
yeah, pretty much. And the one thing that I still think, I don't care what anybody else says, this is my favorite thing in the entire world.
Do you like the logos like I like the logos?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, come on.
Yes. Yes.
That's just so
Yes.
cool.
Working for the camera. Yep. Working for Daddy. Oh, yes.
Madonna, Madonna.
Birdcage!
You got it, you got it.
One of my favorites.
Fosse, Fosse.
I love that movie. The straight guy loves the Birdcage.
Yeah.
Oh, well. I can
Sweating my eyeballs.
You can tell who most of my friends are.
Yeah.
Look at
So
that.
they came out really, really nice.
Yeah. And
So I'll leave these separate. I'll put them in one bag, but with the other brake parts so we don't get them all smashed up and dirty.
we've bought these before aftermarket.
Yeah, but they're,
They suck.
yeah. So that's
this
why I did these really
bends-
good. If you look at the tips,
Just the tip.
they're nice and smooth, so we won't take any chances of ripping the rubber boots on the wheel cylinders at
Looks
all.
good. Man, those are nice.
But, all right, well, these will
Those are
go into
ready.
a separate bag. I'll mark them for
Bill,
Monsieur Bill's car,
Yes,
and
yes.
we'll put it with the other ones.
those look great.
And I have sweat in my eyeball, and it stinks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
But
it's
we'll
stupid
see you
hot.
guys Monday.